The flavors of Ukraine. Ukraine is known as the breadbasket of Europe due to its fertile land and agricultural prowess. This abundance is reflected in the country's rich and diverse cuisine, which draws influences from a variety of cultures, including Ukrainian, Russian, Polish, Jewish, and Tatar. One of the staples of Ukrainian cuisine is borscht, a hearty soup made with beets, potatoes, carrots, onions, and often meat or sausage. Other popular soups include solyanka, a tangy and spicy soup made with various meats and vegetables, and shchi, a cabbage soup that is often served with sour cream. Meat dishes are also prominent in Ukrainian cuisine, with favorites including varenyky, boiled dumplings filled with potatoes, cheese, sauerkraut, or meat, and holubtsi, cabbage leaves stuffed with a mixture of ground meat and rice. Chicken Kiev, a breaded and fried chicken cutlet stuffed with garlic butter, is another classic Ukrainian dish. Bread is a fundamental part of Ukrainian cuisine, with a variety of traditional breads made from rye or wheat flour. Paska, a sweet bread that is traditionally baked for Easter, is a particular favorite. Ukraine is also known for its dairy products, including smetana, a thick and tangy sour cream, and tvorog, a type of curd cheese that is often used in sweet and savory dishes. For those with a sweet tooth, Ukrainian desserts offer a range of delicious options, from honey cakes and poppy seed rolls to sweet cheese fritters and cherry dumplings. Exploring the flavors of Ukraine is a culinary adventure that offers a glimpse into the country's rich cultural heritage and agricultural bounty. Whether you're enjoying a hearty bowl of borscht or a warm slice of paska, Ukrainian cuisine is sure to delight your taste buds and satisfy your appetite. Thanks for watching. Thanks for like and subscribe.